Hi, my name is Tobin. I'm an engineer here at Minnich Manufacturing, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Control Speed Vibrator. And at first we're going to see what comes inside the box and how to set it up. So let's start by unboxing it. Opening up the box, the first thing that you're going to find is the manual, the shoulder strap, and then lastly, the Control Speed Vibrator. Attached on the inside of the box is a QR code, which will take you to a video instruction on how to attach the strap to the motor. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is attach the flex shaft to the motor. In order to do that, the first thing that we need to do is begin by pulling up on this pin, twisting it slightly to lock it into place so it's in the open position. Next, we're going to take the flex shaft, and inside we're going to take the square core, and we're going to align that with the drive shaft on the motor. Insert all the way. Once we do that, we're going to take the quick pin, twist it until it clicks down, and then spin the flex shaft side to side to make sure that it's engaged and locked in. Once you've connected the flex shaft to the motor, you're going to want to take your phone and scan the QR code located on the rear of the motor. Once you scan the QR code, it's going to take you to our website. On our website, it's going to give you a link to the Apple Store or the Google Play Store. There you can download our app. Once you download the app, the first thing that you're going to see is this screen. On this screen, the first thing that you're going to want to do if you don't have an account created already is create one by pressing sign up and filling in the information needed and pressing register. Once you do that, you can go back and click sign in and sign into the app. Once you log into the app, this is what you're going to see on your screen, and then the next thing that you're going to want to do is connect the motor to power. But before you do that, you want to make sure that the switch is in the off position. After you do that, you can connect it to power. Once it's connected to power, you can then go onto the app, press scan, and it's going to find your motor once it's connected to power and Bluetooth is available. Once you do that, select the motor, it'll load, and then you'll be connected. Once you have the motor connected to the phone, you're going to see 4 different speed options: 6,000, 8,000, 10,500 VPMs, as well as an open selection, which allows the motor to run at wide open. A common question that we get is if you have to have a phone to run this motor. The answer is no. The phone is only needed if you desire to select the speed for the motor. Once the desired speed has been chosen, the phone is no longer needed and the motor will run at the selected speed, and you can just turn the motor on or off using the switch on the motor. That way, a supervisor or quality control manager can select the speed and give the motor to the operator, and the operator can continue with the pour without the phone involved. If you have additional questions, please call us. Here at Minnich Manufacturing, we're always happy to help. If you'd like more information regarding the CSV, please click the link in the description below.